Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today, I will show you how to set up Google Captcha for your Titan web project. Google Captcha can be verified for Salesforce pushes and upon login with SmartV. So, over here in my project, the first thing I have to do is head over to Project Settings, Site Elements, and API Keys. Here, under Google Captcha, I have to enter my API keys. So I'll just quickly do that. And there we go. I have Google Captcha API keys set up. So let's show you how you can enable it on a Salesforce push. Head over to Salesforce, go to any push, and under Advanced, you can enter Verify Captcha. You can enable this. Now, in addition, you can also rate your API keys from here, but we already filled that part out. So if we hit Apply, whenever this push is run, we will verify with Google Captcha that the person trying to run that push is not a robot. Next, let's show you how you can enable it on SmartV. I'm going to quickly set up SmartV here. So now that I have SmartV, if I go to any SmartV page and click the settings icon, you can head over to Captcha, require Captcha, and again, this brings us to our API keys, but we already have that set up. And that's how it's done.